to a lot, but the final offer is that you would be adjudicated guilty. Court costs, cost of prosecution, public defender fees, no contact with the alleged victim, no trespass at the location, and that's basically what the sentence is. I'm assuming you want to do that since it would get you out on this charge, and it's my understanding at this point that's what's holding you. So what you want to do?
I get time served today.
Mr. Smith, can you hear us?
Would I get time served today?
Yeah, it's time served, court costs. You can't go to the location. You can't have contact with the alleged victim.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Whatever monetary things, but no probation.
What was that about?
No probation.
Absolutely. I'll do that. Yes, sir.
Now, I know we did go over a plea form since you're there, but you understand you have the right to trial, right to call witnesses, right to testify, that we would represent you. We could subpoena witnesses, and prevent the defense that you're waiving all those rights to enter this plea.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Do you need any more time with your client?
No, Judge, I'm based on the information that's being relayed to me from the previous attorney on the case. I'm confident, and based on my conversation with him this morning, we can go ahead.
Okay, so Mr. Smith, we've got the prosecutor on the telephone. I need to ask her some questions. Specifically, Ms. Santini, have you relayed this offer to the alleged victim?
And you know that because you're reading notes in the file? So it's interesting here, I'm reading the booking sheet. The alleged victim is the father of someone who I believe, Mr. Darrow, your client may have a child involved here.
That is how I read it, but I believe the no contact would be with him, not with the mother of the child. She was involved in the actual offense.
So the no contact in essence would be for the child's grandfather only.
Yes. I do some family there.
Yeah, I think that's right. Ms. Santini, you agree with that? All right, and just to make sure, Ms. Santini, the offer that Mr. Darrow just explained to his client is an adjudication of guilt, court costs $220, public defender costs $50, application fee, cost of prosecution $50, you have 90 days to pay, no contact with the alleged victim, and no trespass at the location of this incident. Ms. Santini, do you agree to those terms?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that's the offer Mr. Stewart relayed to the alleged victim, who also agrees to those terms. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor, that's right.
Okay, Mr. Smith, can you raise your right hand to take an oath, please?
Yes, sir.
The truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Tell me your name again.
I hear you. The volume's not working. I can't hear you.
Better with the headset.
I can hear you now, sir. Oh.
Mr. Smith, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you now.
All right, can you tell me your name?
My name is Timothy.
The problem is now this is not on the record.
Hold on, let me see what happens why don't you mute yourself, Judge, and let me see what I get from mine. Can you hear me, Mr. Smith?
I can hear you. No.
You can hear fine through mine. And let me,
Mr. Smith, can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
I hear everything through mine. So if you turn off all of yours, I can, if the court wants me to approach it, let you use mine.
Sure.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Smith, we're trying to do this fancy
procedure here with different laptops. You hear me
Can
okay?
you hear me okay?
I can hear you, yes.
All right, the charge again is battery,
Battery.
and the offer is an
And the
adjudication
offer is
of guilt,
of guilt,
all costs,
all costs,
which includes court
which includes
costs,
court costs,
public defender
public
costs, and costs of
and costs of
prosecution. Also, no contact with the alleged
the
victim,
alleged victim.
and you know who
And
he
you know
is,
who he is, right?
Yes.
and no
And no
trespass
trespass
in this
in
incident.
this incident.
Yes, sir.
Was this at his
Was this at
house?
his house?
Yes, it's at his house.
So you understand
So
you
you
cannot
understand
return to that location.
that location.
Absolutely.
All right, do you have any
All right, do you
questions
have any
about that
questions
offer?
about that offer?
Do you want to
Do you
accept that
want to
offer?
accept that offer?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading
Are you
guilty
pleading
or no
guilty or no
contest?
contest?
No contest.
All right, did you read
All
a
right,
plea
did you read a
form?
plea form?
No.
You understand that you have the right to a trial if you wanted to fight this charge.
Yes.
Mr. Darrow, your lawyer, will be present with you.
Yes.
You would have the opportunity to cross-examine or question all of the witnesses who testify against you.
Yes.
You could call witnesses to testify in your defense. You could testify in your own defense or remain silent. That's up to you. But by entering a plea of no contest today, you are waiving all of those rights because there will not be a trial. Do you understand that?
Sir.
Battery is an enhanceable crime. If you commit this crime again, you may face higher fines, or jail time, and possibly a felony charge. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Your plea will be used against you in a deportation proceeding if you are not a United States citizen. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of drugs, alcohol, or medication?
No, sir.
Mr. Darrow, will you stipulate to venue in the factual basis contained in the discovery material?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Santini, anything further from you?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'll accept your plea.
Thank you,
Find
sir.
it free to be voluntarily, knowingly entered upon a factual basis and in your best interest, adjudication, judgment, and sentence as I previously stated. Thank you, Mr. Smith, and good luck to you.
Yes, sir.
I'll give that to you in just a second. All right, Mr. Darrow, do you have anything else for your client?
No, Judge, I don't know if there was a previously a bench warrant in this, just because this, for me, this is the only thing holding in Pasco. I just don't know if there's anything we can do to speed up them letting Pasco know from a sheriff's office.
I'm looking through here. For a bench, do you think there might, well, you,
I mean, the bench warrant will be resolved. I'm sure the sheriff's office picks up on it when it's closed out. I didn't know if there's anything from our standpoint to.
I'm back to September, August. I don't see anything.
Okay.
So hopefully that's sufficient.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Thank you, Mr. Smith. Thank you to Pasco County as well. I appreciate your help this morning.
Thank you, sir.
All right, y'all have a good day. All
Judge.
right. Anything further to come before the court? I'm gonna give you.